guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I've partnered with Mane and Tail to bring you this wash day using two of their new products. They've come out with a Repair and Replenish Shampoo and Conditioner, which are biotin infused, sulfate free, and paraben free. So they are perfect for us natural and curly girls. So if your hair is in need of moisture, your scalp, and even if you just need some strengthening to your strands, these are perfect for you. So I'm just going to show you how these products work on my hair. So after I made sure my hair was completely drenched in water, I did start with the Repair and Replenish shampoo, and this is perfect because it's made with a moisturizing base including coconut oil, which is great for not only dry scalp but for your hair. So it's going to nourish your hair and scalp and not leave it feeling dry or brittle or stripped. And the first thing I noticed with the shampoo was not only the amazing lather, you guys, you know I live for a great lather, but it was just so moisturizing on my hair. So I made sure to just work that into my scalp, make sure it's, getting all the areas it needs to. And what I really liked about this shampoo was I didn't have to use a lot. You can see that I'm just kind of like bringing it down with my hands to the areas that I need. So I did add just one more pump, or one little squeeze I should say, and I used that for the back of my hair, and then I also just dragged that along the length of my hair. Super easy, so you do not need a ton of this product to get it all over your hair. I did also like the fact that it was easy to detangle. So I do actually like to detangle my hair when I'm shampooing. I just feel like it's, a step I don't have to do when I condition. So I did really enjoy that. And when I rinsed this off of my hair just felt soft. It felt strengthened. It did not feel stripped at all. So this was a great shampoo. Now after I shampooed, I did use the Repair and Replenish conditioner. Now this is great because it's weightless. It's so lightweight, but it's so moisturizing, so it's definitely going to soften your hair. I don't think I mentioned, but I do love the smell of these products. It's nice and light and fresh. But back to the conditioner, I just like to use my first squeeze to coat my hair with the product, which it just melted right into my strands, super softening. And then that second squeeze of conditioner, I like to go in and detangle with my fingers, of course. And this conditioner made it so easy to finger detangle. As you guys can see, my fingers are just gliding right on through, getting right through the tangles. So I definitely enjoyed this for detangling, and not only is it good for just conditioning, detangling, it's going to help nourish my scalp, which you guys know I do deal with dry, flaky scalp, so that is just a great addition. So I just made sure to do that to both sides of my hair, and I left it on for just 1 to 2 minutes. That's all you need to get the conditioning, and you can choose to use this as a leave-in or a rinse out, but I chose to just rinse it on out. And when I did, y'all, my hair felt amazing, so soft, so strengthened. I was very, very happy with my results. So I highly encourage you guys to try these products out. I will have a link down below where you can immediately purchase them. They're softening, they're great for curly and natural hair girls, so definitely pick up your own. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I hope you have a great wash day the next time you wash your hair.